Good evening. Thank you very much for watching. And today we're going to be repotting this sad looking aloe plant. And what I bought it for, where it wound up being, and where it wound up being was not exactly the same thing. So now that the original purpose of me planting it didn't pan out, it was just not, it's not dead, it's not thriving. So one thing before we get started is this is my new PICO that I bought I bought it last year in March, but I only received it this January. It was supposed to come in April, but on their website they say you can plant aloe vera in this. And the roots might fit in this, but this isn't very big. It's like I have small hands and it fits in my hands. And also I was doing research and this is the maximum height of the PICO. So like it's not, aloe plants get bigger than the light on this would so that's just my caveat with that. I bought this I thought that the light in my hydroponic system would give up enough light for this to go under the one edge of the system so that if there was a leak, there would be a plant there to catch the water. But it wound up under the part that wouldn't have a leak, and I kept forgetting to water it, and it yells at me every time I do water it. Oh, also, I bought this in the mail, and I just got it, and the thing with this is it comes with one of these things, and you can use it to there's like a mounty thing here, so you can put the stick this on the wall and then just like that, and it will be on the wall or the window, wherever you're putting it. And once I know that the aloe plant is alive and maybe liking me again, we will redo this. So this soil here is literally bone dry. I'm sorry, my aloe plant. But we're going to attempt to do this without killing it. I was also going somewhere with this, that this was specifically for cacti and succulents, the soil. So what I'm going to do is just take some of this that isn't super close to the plant and just put it in the new pot. Oh, one of the nice things about this is, first of all, it is it's a self-watering planter, so you can put it on the bottom here, that way it won't drop the aloe plant, which, speaking of watering plants, no. What I wound up doing with this is I put it halfway full of expanded clay pellets so that it would further have better drainage. But what I'm gonna do with this, it's fine. So I'm gonna put in some actual sand in this just to help and make sure that, you know, the drainage of the water is what we want it to be. And then I'm going to dump all of this into a bowl. Okay. And then, so you can see that I actually didn't know that those were adjustable. So just make sure that, because I was pulling on them before. So don't, it's, but this is cotton, so it'll absorb the water up, and then it absorbs up so it, wicks. That is the word I was looking for. It wicks properly. So this does not have a max fill line. What is even in the Amazon package that you like so much?